Hello everybody, Carla here. I would like to quickly introduce you to this 2008 Toyota RAV4. Let's check out the tread on the tires. Pretty good tread there. Now this is a one-owner vehicle with 0 accidents reported, which is very awesome. Very nice exterior. Let's check out the inside. 143,598 miles on this Toyota RAV4. You also have your power windows and your power locks, as well as your cruise control features attached to the steering wheel. AM, FM radio, CD player as well. Heat and air works just great. Let's check out the back. Very, very spacious back here. Gray cloth seats. We got a little stain right there, but this is a gently used vehicle. Let's go all the way to the back and check out the space back here. Even more space. If you would like to see pictures of this one-owner, 0 accident vehicle, please visit our website at flywheelmotors.com. If you guys would like to inquire about our awesome in-house program or our oil change program, please don't hesitate to give us a call, or you can even text us 662-420-7682. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.